Farm Bill 2020 Chapter 1 Preliminary. This act may be called the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020. It shall be deemed to have come into force on the 5th day of June 2020. In this act, unless the context otherwise requires, electronic trading and transactions platform means a platform set up to facilitate direct and online buying and selling of conduct of trade and commerce of farmers' produce through a network of electronic devices and internet applications where each such transaction results in physical delivery of farmers' produce. Farmer means an individual engaged in the production of farmers' produce by self or by hire labor or otherwise and includes the farmer producer organization. Farmers' produce means foodstuff including cereal like wheat, rice, or other coarse grains, pulses, edible oils, vegetables, fruits, nuts, spices, sugarcane, and products of poultry, piggery, goatry, fishery, and dairy intended for human consumption in its natural or processed form. Cattle fodder including oil cakes and other concentrates, and raw cotton, whether ginned or unginned cotton seeds and raw jute. Farmer Produce Organization means an association or group of farmers by whatever name called, registered under any law of the time being in force or promoted under a scheme or program sponsored by the central or the state government. Interstate trade means the act of buying or selling of farmers' produce wherein a trader of one state buys the farmer's produce from the farmer or trader of another state and such farmer's produce is transported to a state other than the state with which the trader purchased such farmer's produce or where such farmer produce originated. Intrastate trade means the act of buying or selling of farmers' produce wherein a trader of one state buys the farmer's produce from a farmer or a trader of same state in which the trader purchased the farmer's produce or where such farmer's produce originated. Notification means a notification published by the central government or the state governments in the office gazette and the expressions notify and notified shall be constructed accordingly. Persons include an individual, a partnership firm, a company, a limited liability partnership, a cooperative society, or any association or body of persons duly incorporated or recognized as a state under any organization, ongoing programs of the central government or the state government. Prescribed means the rules made by the central government under this act. Scheduled farmers' produce means the agriculture produce specified under any state APMC Act for regulation. State includes the Union Territory. State APMC Act means an state legislation or Union Territory legislation in force in India by whatever name called, which regulates markets for agriculture produce in that state. Trade area means an area or location place of produce collection and aggregation including farm gates, factory premises, warehouses, silos, cold storage or any other structures or places from where trade of farmers' produce may be undertaken in territory of India but does not include the premises, enclosures and structures constituting physical boundaries of principal market yards, sub-market yards and market sub-yards managed and run by market committees formed under each state APMC Act in force in India, and private market yards, private market sub-yards directing marketing, collection centers and private farmers, consumers market yards managed by a person holding licenses or any warehouses, silos, cold storage or other structure notified as markets or deemed markets under each state APMC Act in force in India. Trader means a person who buys farmers' produce by way of interstate or intrastate trade or a combination thereof, either for self or on behalf of one or more persons for the purpose of wholesale trade, retail, end-use, value addition, processing, manufacturing, export, consumption or for such other purpose.